Take me away from home.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to recreate this makeup look.
Places I've never known.
Hope that you guys have a lot of fun watching me and you guys are enjoying my channel so far. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please hit that ring bell notification. That way you're always on the loop on my next video. Other than that, guys, without making this video any longer, let's just go ahead and jump right into it. Alrighty, let's get started. Let's go ahead and put our hair to the back. I'm going to use these big old clips right here that I like. Oh god, I had a hair in my mouth. So for today's primer, I'm going to use the Optical Illusion by Urban Decay. And I'm just going to go ahead and put that in my problematic areas. Couldn't say that. For foundation today, I'm going to use the MAC Studio Fix foundation. And I'm in the color NC30 now, but I think this was an NC35. So it is a little darker, but with the concealer, we'll fix it. Next, we're just going to go ahead and blend that out. I use the Real Techniques Beauty Blender. I don't know, foundation blender, whatever you want to call it. Today, I'm going to use the Paint Pot by MAC for my eye primer. This is the only thing I use as a base nowadays. I don't use anything else. I love this thing. For concealer, I'm going to use that new Infallible Pro Long concealer. I don't know what it's called. I'm so bad. I'll go ahead and put it in the bottom section. It is pretty good, actually. It was a little watery. I was scared, but it did its job, and that's what we want for concealers to do. I don't like thick concealers, though, but this one was really, really good. So I'm going to go ahead and set my foundation. I had some trouble showing the brand there. It's the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. And for the palette today, I'm going to take out the Peach palette. I rarely use this thing. I don't know why. I think it's because it smells so good and I know I'm going to want to end up eating all the shadows. But today this is the one that I'm going to be using. After blending the transition color, we're going to go ahead and cut the crease with the Paint Pot by MAC. And I am using a Morphe M408 brush to do so. Now to define the cut crease, I'm going to go over it with this Vivid Brights by NYX. It is a purple color and I'm going to use this first. That way behind the glitter there is some sort of color and it's not just glitter sitting on the crease.
Up here, we're free, bound only by frozen memories.
To be completely honest with all of you guys, I don't know who I was talking to in this part of the video, but let me just say, I look like I'm making a point. I look like I'm handling that conversation. Look, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun making this look because I love playing with glitter. I really enjoy it. Just sometimes it just gets everywhere. always comment my videos because you guys know I love that. I love to interact with you guys. Give me a thumbs up. That way I know that you guys enjoy these type of videos. Probably my next video is going to be a get ready with me. That way I can talk to you guys a little bit more. I know I've been doing a lot of voiceovers. They're just easier. It's hard for me to not take too long when I'm talking and then, you know, doing stuff. So please let me know if you guys would like to see a get ready with me. Other than that, guys, I love you guys so much. Until next time.